Hi guys, I'm just going to quickly show you, if you see for this week's activity, we need to come up with a suitable topic using Year 2 Chemical Science as the target year level and devise an experience that uses the Year 5 Explore principle. I'm just going to quickly show you how to find that Year 2 Chemical Sciences curriculum. So if we go to the Australian curriculum, we go to Science, we select Year 2, we'll go to Strands, we need Science Understanding and Submit. If we scroll down here, we've got the content descriptors for chemical sciences and biological sciences, so you'll need both of these for your second assignment. So if I then open this up, here you'll be able to choose something for this week's task, and more resources are here on Scootle. So these have got then activities sort of more fleshed out if you click here.